First mode. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to review this working lamp, no brand, that we can buy at Shopee, price below 40 ringgit. Here written 280 lumens, and here W553 is the model number, but no brand. Here is product features, and then here is the pictures. First, I'm going to unbox it. After we open the box, then we can get one micro USB cable. The this is the working lamp. The body is aluminium. Here is aluminium, and here is also aluminium. Quite solid. Come with magnetic tail. Powerful magnet. The body has a built-in micro USB charger, and then can rotate 360 degrees. And it is using 18650 battery. Here I'm going to try. It has 5 modes. Highest, when we press this, it has green light here. First is the highest, second, third, and then it will off. Long press, it will go into the red light, and then we press again, it will start blinking. Very solid body. And then the size, let me compare with other flashlight. For the size, I compare with Convoy S2 Plus. When we fold the light, slightly bigger. The diameter slightly bigger, and then the length is about 2 inch longer than Convoy S2 Plus. This comes with this is a COB LED. Here, I'm not sure what LED is this, but quite bright also. After this, I will test this in the night time. But before that, those who are interested to buy this product, you can click the link in the video description below. This is the test. As you can see how dark it is in the night time. First mode, 280 lumens, and I think it is more. You can see clearly and very detailed. And then second mode. This is the second mode. Still very bright. You still can see very detailed, very bright. Then the third mode. The third mode. Here. You can still see okay, it comes with a magnet, as you can see. You can stick it here, then anyway. Even in the model, at the model. Hope you enjoy my video. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to like my video. Thank you.